Hi everybody, it's Scott Galden from Simmons Floorcovering and Total Renovations. And if you're getting this video, it's probably because you're in the middle of making some decisions on a flooring or kitchen and bath remodel project. If that's the case, you've got three very important decisions to make. The first decision is what kind of product you're going to select. And I hope our project managers are helping you to define exactly what would be a good solution for you. Second, you have to decide who you're going to do business with, and obviously we hope that you choose Simmons. And the third major decision you have to make is how are you going to pay for this project? And I'd like to talk to you for a moment about that particular decision and why you may want to consider some of the financing options that we offer here at Simmons. We have two specific financing options. Our first option is 12 months, no interest and no payments. This financing option is perfect if you have some large payments that you're expecting in the future, or you need a little bit of extra help to get over the top to make the decision on the project that you want to buy. Basically, it buys you a year's worth of time. You don't have to let go of your money for an entire 12 months. So you buy today, you don't have to make a single payment for 12 months. This is also a great solution if you're trying to fix your house up for sale, because you can get all the repairs made, you can get the improvements made, and then you can pay off that transaction once the house closes. The second option that we offer is a 60-month monthly payment option, very low monthly payment at 9.99% interest. The reason why this is a great option is because it offers you a lower interest rate than you would find on most credit cards today. It allows you to keep your credit open so that other purchases might be able to be made in case you're have an emergency of some kind, or it allows you to keep a little extra money in the bank just in case something happens. So please take a moment, if you need to, talk with the project managers about the financing options that we have that are available, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you have, and look and see if there might be a way that helps you to make a better decision on how you're going to pay for this project.